Today I am going to talk about mudras. What are mudras? Mudras are basically gestures, bodily gestures. There are three kinds of mudras. One is what we call hand mudras, which some people do this way or this way. The second category of mudras are what we call body shape mudras. Body shape mudras are like Vibrita Karani, the half shoulder stand. Vibrita Karani is a mudra. Okay. The third form of mudras is what we call facial mudras, the eye related mudras, like Shambhavi mudra, like that. This fundamentally helps to energize and eliminate toxins within the body. But the mudras have its own limits in the sense that you have to do it minimum 15 minutes. If you don't hit the 15 minutes, it has very little impact on the elements of the body. For example, if you boil water, depending on the equipment that you use to boil the water, it will take a few minutes to boil the water to 100 degrees Celsius. So let's talk about hand mudras first. Firstly, within our fingers and our feet, we have the different compounds or elements that is embedded in the system as when we are created. For example, the thumb. The thumb is what we call the fire element. The index finger. The index finger is what we call the element of air. In the middle finger, we have the element of space. In the ring finger or the fourth finger, we have the element of earth. And in the last finger, the pinky finger, we have the element of water. Now, these five elements or compounds, when they combine together, then only you have a living thing. If not, all other things, any of the element which is missing will become a non-living thing. This is how living and non-living things are categorized according to yoga. Now, for example, the very common mudra that we are talking about is the Vishnu mudra. In the Vishnu mudra, on the right hand, we bring the index finger to the base of the thumb and the middle finger to the base of the thumb. Now, from the earlier message that I sent to you, you will remember that index finger is the element of air and the middle finger is the element of space. When you bring it touching to the base of the thumb, that means these two elements are reduced within the body system. When you bring it close and touching the thumb, that means tip of the thumb, that means you are increasing these two elements. Now, why do we use this mudra for pranayama? This mudra is called Vishnu mudra. Vishnu means in Sanskrit preservation. Now, just like when you want to preserve items in a poly bag, you remove the air and the space and you vacuum it to preserve it. Similarly, to preserve our body in its original state, we bring these two fingers to the base of the thumb, just like vacuuming our body out of the elements. This is the reason why it is called Vishnu mudra, and there is no other spiritual or religious reason coined to it. And you must remember this very well.